Hey guys, Lee Jun here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving deep, deeper than my search history after watching a documentary about the ocean, into the amazing universe that is the human body. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to uncover 10 incredible facts that'll make you see yourselves in a whole new light. Buckle up, buttercups. It's going to be a wild ride. Let's talk about the brain. That little squishy thing in your head, the control center for everything you do. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons. That's more than the stars in the Milky Way. Neurons are tiny messengers sending signals throughout your body. This organ allows us to think, learn, create, and feel emotions. Next up, we've got bones. They keep you from flopping around like a jellyfish. The human body has 206 bones forming your skeleton. The skeletal system is no joke. It supports, moves, and protects your organs. Think of your body as a tent. Bones are the poles holding it up. Without them, we'd be flat as pancakes. Now let's talk about the heart, the OG beatboxer that keeps the whole system going. This little champ beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood throughout your body. That's like running a marathon every single day without ever taking a break. The heart is basically a pump, circulating blood that carries oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body. It's like the delivery service you never knew you needed, but couldn't live without. Chapter 4. Skin Sassional Facts. Okay, this one might surprise you, but your skin is actually your largest organ. It's true. It covers your entire body, acting like a protective barrier against the outside world. Think of it as your own personal force field, shielding you from germs, UV rays, and all sorts of other nasty stuff. Plus, it helps regulate your body temperature so you don't overheat or freeze. It's like the ultimate superhero cape, but way less obvious. Chapter 5. Shedding some light on skin. And speaking of skin, did you know that you shed about 600,000 particles of it every hour? That's like a whole new you every few weeks. It's true. Your skin is constantly renewing itself, shedding old cells to make way for new ones. It's like a never-ending game of Snake, but instead of growing longer, you're just shedding. Chapter 6. The long and winding road of digestion. Let's dive into the small intestine. This coiled-up tube is about 22 feet long. Its job is to absorb nutrients from your food. It's like a giant sponge, soaking up all the good stuff. So next time you eat a giant burrito, remember its long journey. Okay, time to talk about your sniffer. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion different scents. That's more than there are stars in the observable universe. And it's all thanks to the olfactory system, which is basically a bunch of receptors in your nose that send signals to your brain when they detect a smell. It's like a super-powered smelloscope, able to distinguish between the subtlest of scents. Chapter 8. What are you waiting for? Hydrate! Now for a little H2, oh no she didn't moment. Did you know that your body is made up of about 60% water? That's right, you're basically a walking, talking water bottle. And water is super important for everything. It helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, flush out waste products. You name it, water's involved, so drink up, buttercups. Staying hydrated is key to keeping your amazing body running smoothly. Chapter 9. Uniquely you. Now let's talk about fingerprints. Those little ridges on your fingertips, they're totally unique to you. No two people on Earth have the same fingerprints, not even identical twins. It's like your own personal stamp of individuality. And they're super useful for identification purposes. So next time you're feeling basic, just remember, your fingerprints are one of a kind. Chapter 10. A world of color. Let's talk about your peepers. The human eye can distinguish 10 million colors. It's like a rainbow on steroids, constantly capturing the world's beauty. Appreciate the gift of sight and its colors. Outro. That's a wrap, and that's a wrap on our journey through the amazing human body. I hope you learned something new today. Our bodies are incredible, from the tiniest cells to the largest organs, all working together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts. Until next time, stay curious and hydrated.